Building the best global engineering team. How you guys doing? My name is Yuji Marata. I work as engineering manager. Please follow me over the Twitter or LinkedIn. Appreciate if you subscribe this YouTube channel. Today, I would like to talk about be a multi-personality leader. Everybody have their own leadership style. I have my own leadership style. You also have your own style. Depending on the situations, the effective leadership style is different. So what if you can have the multiple type of the leadership style and you can switch the style depending on the situation? That will be the quite effective your skill set to lead a team. I recently read the book about the emotionally intelligent leader, which is written by the Daniel Goleman, who is one of the most popular psychologists who is teaching about the latest psychology studies into the business leaders. In this book, there is quite interesting chapter exist, which is analyzing the 6 different leadership style compared with the some research. So basically, these 6 leadership style explains this: forceful style, authoritative style, affiliative style, democratic style, pace-setting style, coaching style. And he is presenting which leadership style is making an impact in terms of the team climate as well as other perspectives. So let me briefly explain each of those. So basically, the coursive style. This is a typical boss type of the leadership. So basically, you do what I said. And authoritative leadership is something like how do I put the typical kind of leadership we can imagine. So basically, please follow me. So as leaders, you're gonna be leading the team by you are demonstrating your own action. Affiliative leadership style, basically, phrase gonna be the people comes first. So basically, the affiliative leadership style care the people's, make an importance on the harmony on the teams. Democratic leadership style, basically make an importance on the consensus. So getting everybody's opinions and making a consensus. Pace setting is somewhat similar to the coursive, but not that critical. So basically, what pace setting type of leadership is basically set a high standard and ask your members to catching up to the high standard. So just like when you do a marathon, there is some pacemaker. You're gonna be pushing your members to get the highest score. Coaching style is a typical, coaching style type of the leadership. So basically, you suggest members to do something. So basically, members gonna be proactively trying something, but you make a suggestions. So overall, we have these 6 different style of the leadership. So basically, based on the Goldman's research, only 3 of those are effective in terms of the team climate, basically. So basically, the authoritative leadership, affiliative leadership, and democratic leadership, as well, and coaching style. So basically, 4 leadership style are good in the overall impact to the team climate. So those are really good for the team. In general, in contrast, passive leadership, pace-setting leadership make negative impact to the team climate. So basically, we would like to pick up, one of the authoritative, affiliative, democratic, or coaching leadership style in general. But what's gonna be the interesting thing in his research is actually that each leadership have its own situation which works very well actually. So even the coursive leadership or pace setting leadership works in some specific situation. So for example, like, if the team is crisis, team is losing the directions, and the team is going to the panic mode, actually coercive leadership works pretty good actually. Because it's clear what to say. So leaders are taking the clear specific orders so that we can have the kind of integrated, a team can make an integrated action based on the direction from the leaders. And the pace setting, leadership also effective if you are kind of working with the team who has the high potential already. So if team is high potential and highly motivated, actually this kind of a pace setting leadership works very well. So if you see those kind of specific situation, I think that you can partially use those kind of leadership style. But basically, you would like to kind of rely on the other leadership style for the most of the cases. Otherwise, it's gonna be making the negative impact to the team climate in general. However, it's quite useful for you to know about those 6 different categorization of the leadership style, so that you can foster different type of leadership as your recipe to lead the team. And when you also kind of are raising the next generation of the leaders, actually these kind of categorization gonna be pretty much helpful, because depending on the personalities, the kind of some people are good at some specific leadership style, some people doesn't know. So depending on the kind of next leaders personality, you can make some kind of focus at which type of leadership you're gonna be kind of foster for the next generation of leaders. And when you kind of describing how to enhance the leadership based on those kind of categorizations, the leaders have much clear view how they can strengthen their own leadership style. So that's the main topic for today. I hope this gonna be this topic gonna be helpful to build your team growth. And I'm gonna be putting the link for this book, the Emotionally Intelligent Leaders. So if you are interested in this topic, please look into this book. I really recommend you to read this book at once. Yeah, thank you for watching.